At first light on Italy's coast, naturism here means serenity, freedom, respect. These villages live by simple rules: privacy, consent, and no photography, so everyone can breathe easy. Picture tents and bungalows in olive groves, bicycles by trees, the sea sparkling, a cafe glowing at golden hour. Come see how calm confidence replaces shyness. Will you step inside? The sun rises over the low, rolling hills of the Italian coast as a thin, silvery mist lifts from the ancient olive groves. Birds begin to call, their songs weaving through the quiet air. A small trail leads to the simple gates of a camping village. A modest sign hangs upon it, the word naturist clearly but gently displayed. At this early hour, the village is a portrait of profound calm. The pace of life is deliberately quiet, a gentle rhythm set by the sun and the tide. People walk the winding paths, some in light wraps against the morning chill, others already bare to the first warm rays of sunlight. The entire village feels less like a resort and more like a small, secluded town. It is a sanctuary from the noise of modern life, where nature is an integral part of the experience. A life lived in harmony with the natural surroundings and with one another. The layout of the village is simple and organic, designed to blend seamlessly with the landscape. It is a charming tapestry woven from different forms of shelter, tents of various sizes and colors, pitched in designated clearings with space for privacy. Small, rustic bungalows built from local wood, dotted among the trees with shaded porches for coffee or conversation. Narrow, well-trodden paths wind through the terrain, inviting exploration on foot. Bicycles lean against fences or trees, ready for a silent ride to the beach. Thoughtful common areas foster community without crowding. Small central piazza with a cafe beneath grapevines. People gather for a simple lunch or a glass of wine as the sun sets. A little shop stocks basic provisions, local cheeses, sun-ripened fruit, shared kitchen area, library with shelves of books in different languages, playground where children's laughter drifts. These are the social heart of the village. Camping areas respect nature and the individual. Each pitch is marked but not rigidly defined. Some pitches nestled in the deep shade of ancient oak trees, others open, catching the full warmth of the sun. People take pride in their small, temporary homes, solar-powered fairy lights, a colourful hammock between pines, a pot of herbs by a tent flap, a community living simply and lightly on the land. Privacy is an unspoken, respected currency. The atmosphere is open, with clear personal boundaries. Space between tents and bungalows creates a quiet buffer. People don't intrude without invitation. A solo traveller finds their rhythm, a large family finds theirs. Everyone feels both connected and free. Life in the naturist village operates according to a few clear and simple rules. These rules are not restrictive, rather they are the gentle framework that ensures everyone feels safe, comfortable, and respected. Upon arrival and check-in, a friendly host calmly explains this code of conduct to all new visitors. The most important rule is the absolute prohibition of photography. No photos without explicit, enthusiastic consent from every person in the frame. This protects guests' privacy and peace of mind. It creates a sanctuary free from the intrusive lens of the outside world. The rule is universally understood and strictly observed. Another core principle is the complete separation of naturism from sexuality. The village is a non-sexual, family-friendly environment. Overt sexual behavior in public spaces is strictly forbidden. Naturism here is about freedom, nature, and body acceptance, not exhibitionism or arousal. People interact with the same casual respect you'd find in any public space. This clear boundary helps newcomers feel at ease and understand the philosophy. Guests keep their campsites clean. They use provided bins for waste and recycling. In showers, in pools, in cafes, guests follow specific hygiene practices. Use a towel to sit on benches or lounges. While being unclothed is the norm in most areas, some zones require clothing. Signs mark those areas, like the reception office and the indoor part of the small village shop. Shoes or sandals are commonly worn on rough paths for safety. The ethos rests on consent and mutual respect. It extends into everyday interactions. People do not stare. They make eye contact. They offer a smile or a quiet buongiorno. They ask before joining a conversation or a table at the cafe. They are mindful of noise, especially mornings and late evenings. Shared kindness and awareness let trust flourish, making the village a haven of psychological safety for everyone. For first-time visitors, the idea of being without clothes among strangers can feel unnatural, a mix of curiosity and apprehension. This initial shyness is a common, understandable reaction. But the feeling rarely lasts. The calm normality of the environment has a powerful effect. You see people of all ages simply going about their day. There is no judgment, no staring. Slowly, anxiety melts away, replaced by a growing sense of ease. The release often comes from a simple sensory experience, the warm sun on your back, or the freedom of swimming without a costume. It's in these small discoveries that the appeal of naturism reveals itself, not as a statement, but as a profound comfort in one's own skin. The result is a quiet relief and a newfound sense of peace. Many people who practice naturism report a significant reduction in their levels of stress. There are several simple, observable reasons for this. The environment of a naturist village is intentionally designed to slow down the pace of life. The daily routine is not governed by tight schedules or urgent appointments. People wake with the natural light and sleep when it gets dark. The absence of constant traffic, blaring televisions, crowded public spaces, creates a bubble of tranquility. This deliberate slowing down allows the nervous system to relax, easing chronic everyday tension. Secondly, naturism can foster a healthier and more accepting relationship with one's own body. In mainstream society, we are bombarded with idealized, often unattainable images of physical perfection. This can lead to inadequacy, shame, anxiety. In a naturist setting, one is surrounded by real bodies of all ages, sizes, abilities. This exposure normalizes diversity. It helps dismantle harmful self-criticism and encourages acceptance and peace with the body one has, reducing a major source of psychological stress. The deep connection with the natural world is another key element. Studies show therapeutic benefits of spending time in nature. Sun on the skin, producing vitamin D, elevating mood. The sound of the sea wind in the trees has a calming effect. Gentle activities like walking barefoot on the grass, swimming in the ocean ground, a person in the present distract from worries about the past or the future. Finally, the sense of community plays a vital role. Sharing a simple meal, engaging in a quiet conversation, exchanging greetings creates belonging. This supportive, non-judgmental group combats loneliness and isolation. Trust and mutual respect create a secure social fabric, allowing people to relax and be themselves without fear of judgment. This quiet village in Italy is part of a much larger and older European tradition. The naturist movement, or Freikörperkultur, began in Germany, early 20th century. Origin: health and wellness philosophy, promoting a return to nature, an antidote to industrialization and urban life. Valued: fresh air exercise, a holistic approach to well-being, spread across the continent, dedicated beaches, parks, campsites. Each country adds its own cultural flavor, convivial, family-oriented. Italian emphasis: family, good food, slow-paced living. Multiple generations holiday together. Grandparents, parents, young children. Meal times, relaxed social affairs, centered on simple, fresh, local ingredients. The village feels like a large, welcoming family gathering rather than an exclusive club. Framework of regulations ensures safety, hygiene, respectful tourism. Tourism boards and federations work with campsite owners on guidelines. Regulations cover water quality, fire safety, waste management, clear demarcation of naturist zones. Responsible tourism respects visitors and the local area. International mix enriches the visit. Here, Italian, German, French, English, spoken softly at the cafe. Cultural exchange, sharing stories, learning words, discovering shared values despite different backgrounds. The village is a microcosm of peaceful, respectful Europe united by nature, tranquility, mutual respect.
As the sun dips below the horizon, a cool breeze rustles through the olive leaves. Low, warm lights cast a soft glow, deliberately kept dim to preserve the darkness of the night sky. The cafe becomes a hub for quiet conversation, where soft laughter and the strum of a guitar mingle with the sound of crickets. In these tranquil hours, the sense of community feels particularly strong. It is a time for reflection, a time to absorb the peace as the first stars appear. This peace is possible because visitors agree to one thing: respect. Respect for others, for the shared rules, and for the natural environment. In return, the village offers a profound sense of calm and genuine human friendship. It teaches a simple truth: life feels kinder when we slow down, strip away the non-essential, and simply treat each other with gentle care.